In a very gentle way, you can shake the world. With this quote of a great personality, here I am Aryan Raj of 10th standard of Lala Kailash Singhania High School is presenting a speech on a very important person from our Indian history. From the quote in the beginning, you must have got an idea about the person. Yes, he is none other than Mahatma Gandhi. It is indeed rare for someone to create as great impact on a nation as Mahatma Gandhi did with India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has the honorific Mahatma added to his name, was an Indian lawyer, politician and anti-colonial nationalist. Furthermore, Gandhi came forward with a highly successful non-violent resistance against British rule. Moreover, this man was inspired by several civil rights and freedom movements across the world. Mahatma Gandhi came into this world on October 2nd, 1869. This great personality was born in an Indian Gujarati family at Porbandar. Lord reigning of this man took place in the South Africa. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi spent a significant part of his life. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi fought for civil rights by employing non-violent resistance. When Mahatma Gandhi came to South Africa, he had to deal with racial discrimination due to skin color. Such events of pure racial discrimination were certainly instrumental in shaping the ideology of this great man. Mahatma Gandhi became famous as a leading Indian nationalist. As part of the freedom struggle, Mahatma Gandhi launched important movements like Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha and Quit India. This shows the immense contribution of this man towards Indian independence. Now, it's very important to learn from Gandhiji's life in this great pandemic situation. To mitigate the spread of the virus, for which allopathic medicines offer no cure, we should model ourselves on Gandhiji, the indomitable experimenter in naturopathy. To use effective preventive measures, practice excellent personal hygiene, promote and ensure community sanitation and restrict ourselves to our localities. In short, the Gandhian principles of Swadeshi, Swachhata and Sarvodaya should be our guidelines. More comprehensively, rather than indulging in a globalized lifestyle, we should learn to experience the entire world within our immediate village or neighborhood, and to live in harmony with our environment. Last but not the least, in view of the catastrophic disruption caused in the global economy, this would be the ideal moment to focus on regenerating our rural economy to bring about Gandhi's dream of Gram Swaraj. Indeed, in following his dictum, be the change you want to see in the world through simple living and high thinking, each of us can make our contributions towards redeeming humanity and planet Earth and pay homage to Mahatma. Finally, I want to end up with a quote of Mahatma Gandhi. This is as follows: live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
2, 3, start. गांधी जयंती के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी को गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। गांधी जयंती के इस अवसर पर बच्चों ने गांधी जी के प्रिय भजन गाए और भाषण दिए। उन सबका मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। अभिभावकों का भी मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ तथा हमारी प्राचार्य महोदया श्रीमती मणिदीपा बनर्जी का भी मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ तथा जो भी इस कार्यक्रम से प्रत्यक्ष और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से जुड़े हैं उन सभी का भी मैं आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।